Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Because we live some very strange times, we need to buy all kinds of devices that are useful in our life. One of these devices, it's a heart rate monitor and also an oxygen monitor. And this is exactly what I have here. It's a pulse oximeter. It's a device that allows you to measure both the oxygen saturation but also the pulse rate. And as you know, due to this pandemic, you need to measure your oxygen saturation quite often, but also the pulse rate. And you know that the optimal oxygen saturation should be above 95%. If it's below these thresholds, then you should start calling your doctor. So this is a pulse oximeter that I bought in my country for around 20 euro. I read a lot of reviews about it and it is quite good, so I'm really curious to see how it performs. This is the box. It's very simple. My color is this one. Here we have some specifications in the local language. And of course, I think it's made in China. Yes, this is made in China. So let's jump inside the box to see what we have in here. So this is how the box looks like. Here we have an user manual in Romanian. Here we have the manual of the device, which is in English. Okay. And here we have the device itself. So in the box we have the device. Okay, we'll have a look at it later. We have a strap, and we have the batteries, which are AAA batteries, and this is it. I have to say that the package looks very premium, very nice. I like it. So for the moment, let's install the batteries. So you have to push like this. Be careful how you put the batteries in the right direction. Okay, and now it should start. Let me clean the desk. So this is how the device looks like. As you can see, it's very compact. It's blue with white, and it has a screen here. This is one button. On this side, we have some technical specifications about the device, the manufacturer, and so on. This is the battery cover. And basically this is how it works. You open it like this, you insert your finger here, and then when you start it, you will see, let me start it. It should start measuring. You see the oxygen level is this one, and the heart rate here. And now we can hear a beep. So now I have an oxygen level of 98 and heart rate of 86, 87. Yeah, so it's in the normal range. Now this is one way of seeing the information. It has other modes, so if you press the button, you just switch between the modes. Let's see. I press once. Now you can see that the display changed, and here on the bottom of the screen I have the heart rate monitor, like in the hospital, but it's the same information as before. So I have the oxygen level and also the heart rate displayed here. Let's press once again. Now in this display we have here the oxygen level, and this is PI percent. It's something related to perfusion, I think. Yeah, okay. And if I press once again, okay, it turns the screen around. So depends on what hand you use, you can turn the screen around. So let's go back. Okay, so basically you see you have the finger inside the device, and it automatically detects the oxygen level and the heart rate. And to stop it, you just take your finger out and now you have a message finger out and it will automatically shut down. Yeah, this is how it works, but it also has a menu. So if you press, let me see, like this, you see you have a menu here, and basically in this menu you can set the alarm limits, meaning that, for example, here by default the oxygen level, if you reach an oxygen level which is below 90%, then the device automatically will produce a big sound and will alert you that you have a very low oxygen level. And the same with, okay, it exit. And the same with the heart rate. You have a low limit and a high limit, and if your heart rate reaches this limit, the device will tell you, and it will sound very loud. You can set up the sound, and how you set it up, you press this button, and now you can press it many times to reach the desired sound level. I'll keep it to 3. You press the button to confirm. For the bright level, it's at 3, so again, press it, and now you can play with the brightness of the screen, but as I can see, 3 it's enough, so let's leave it to 3, and confirm, hard press, and again hard press to exit the menu. And now the device goes into standby mode. If we look inside the device, here you see the sensor. It looks like an infrared sensor. It's like in the old devices if you want. So if you have an old device like a Samsung Galaxy S8 or S9, it has the same sensor, so you don't need a device like this. But if you don't have a phone with a SpO2 sensor, then you need to buy something like this to have in your home. And this is it. This is how it looks like. It's very nice. It's very compact, as you can see. And it looks very premium. The materials are very nice. Yeah, this is it. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel and also look around to see other interesting videos. Let me test it once again. So I open it, I put the finger inside. And you see it's quite fast. So in a few seconds, it automatically starts to detect the SpO2 level and also the heart rate. Yeah, okay, and let's take it out. Nice. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Bye.